Essential elements of a contract cheat sheet. Use this short guide as a checklist to ensure you know the main topics about contracts for the National Real Estate Exam. Competent parties. All parties are required to be mentally competent and of legal age. Lawful objects. The object of the contract must be legal. This means no contracts for illegal drugs, illegal activities, etc. Meeting of the minds. One party offers and the other accepts, and general terms are agreed upon. Consideration. A promise in exchange of something for something else. I give you money, you give me a house. You rent an apartment and pay me with graphic design services for my company's website. Remember, consideration must be valuable, but does not have to be cash. Anything of value is acceptable. Contract validity. Valid contracts. It has all essential elements, and they are binding and enforceable. Void. At least one essential element is missing. A void contract is not enforceable. Voidable. Valid at creation, but can be rescinded or canceled due to contingency or legal age requirement. Parties can elect to move forward in voidable contracts. Unenforceable. Like it sounds in the name, this contract cannot be enforced. An example would be a contract that was signed when one party was under duress or drunk. Executed contracts. All parties have fulfilled their promises. Executory contracts. The promises in the contract are still being fulfilled, and in some way, not everything agreed upon is completed. Types of contracts. Unilateral. The contract is a one-sided agreement. One party agrees to something in order to persuade the other party to act. For example, a broker offers a bonus if any of the salespeople in the office sell 4 homes in 1 month. One party agrees to something in order to get another party to act. Bilateral. Both parties exchange promises. For example, I'll give you $20 if you'll give me your hat. Other contract terms to know. Statute of frauds. The statute of fraud states that certain real estate contracts must be in writing in order to be enforceable. This includes leases for more than 1 year, option contracts, and contracts for the sale of real estate. Novation. Replacing the current contract with a new agreement. Assignment. Transferring the rights of a contract from one person to another. Express contract. Both parties lay out what's expected clearly. For example, I'll give you $5 if you give me your hat. Implied contract. The conduct of the parties implies a contract, but there is no formal written agreement. For example, sitting down for dinner in a restaurant, ordering, eating the food, and paying at the end of the meal. Specific performance. A lawsuit that's filed to force one party to complete their end of the agreement. Make sure you're familiar with every concept on this list. You'll definitely see questions about each of them on the National Real Estate Exam. Check out our playlists for more real estate exam study guides, cheat sheets, and tons of practice exam questions. See you soon.